How to log in to your account to Bitget wallet application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bitget, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or sign in to Bitget wallet application. Well, the process itself is pretty simple, so let me guide you through. First thing first, you want to open up the Bitget wallet application after you have installed it on your device. Once you open it up, it'll ask you to either create a wallet or import a wallet. Now, if you don't have a wallet, you can simply tap on create a wallet and create one. However, if you do have an account already, you simply want to import a wallet, simply tap on import a wallet and then tap on I agree to terms of service. Now here you'll get three different options. Whichever option that you use during creating your account, you'll have to use the similar option to log in. So for instance, if you use the private key during your account creation, then you want to simply tap on that particular option and then enter in your code. If you use the keyless wallet, you can use that particular option, or you can see the hardware wallet option as well. So this is how you can log in easily. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.